Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're flipping the script and showing you exactly how not to give a public speech. If you've ever sat through a cringeworthy presentation or you've been nervous about your own, this video is for you. Let's dive into the 7 mistakes you absolutely want to avoid when speaking in public. Mistake number 1, starting without a proper introduction. If you don't introduce yourself or set the tone, people are just sitting there confused. Give your audience a warm hello, introduce yourself, and briefly mention what you're going to talk about. Don't leave them wondering, wait, who is this person again? Mistake number 2. Reading directly from your notes. Reading every word from your notes makes your speech sound robotic and disconnected. Instead, use bullet points or an outline to keep yourself on track. You want to make eye contact and engage your audience, not just read them a bedtime story. Mistake number 3, talking too fast or too slow. Speaking too quickly can leave your audience confused, while speaking too slowly can put them to sleep. Find that sweet spot in the middle. Speak at a steady, comfortable pace so people can actually understand and enjoy what you're saying. Mistake number 4, using filler words. Mistake number 5, failing to use visual aids correctly. Visual aids are supposed to enhance your presentation, not become the main event or a distraction. Make sure your slides are simple, easy to read, and actually support what you're saying. And definitely practice using your tech before the actual speech. Mistake number 6, forgetting to connect with your audience. A speech isn't just about the words you say, it's about connecting with your audience. Use stories, ask questions, make eye contact, do whatever you can to make your audience feel involved. If you're just talking at them, they'll quickly tune out. Mistake number 7, ending abruptly without a conclusion. Every great speech needs a strong conclusion. Don't just stop talking and walk away. Sum up your key points, thank your audience, and leave them with something to remember. A powerful ending makes all the difference. And there you have it. 7 classic mistakes to avoid when giving a public speech. Trust me, I've seen all of these, and maybe I've made a few myself. If you found this video helpful, or at least funny, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments your worst public speaking experience. See you next time.